The auto market is facing a historic downturn. In just over a decade, we're seeing the most dramatic decline in used car prices. The spotlight is on electric vehicles where models like Chevy Bolt and Nissan Leaf are experiencing unprecedented price drops, some plummeting by as much as 32%. This isn't a mere market fluctuation. It's a seismic shift reshaping how we perceive the value of our vehicles. The numbers speak volumes. CarGurus reports a near 1% drop in prices within a month, with high-profile brands like Tesla leading this downward trend. This change reflects a broader transformation in consumer behavior and economic conditions. The once booming car market, fueled by pandemic-era demand, is now grappling with an oversupply crisis and a noticeable shift in buyer sentiment. This trend is more than just numbers on a chart. It's impacting the entire automotive ecosystem. From local dealerships to major manufacturers, the effects of this downturn are widespread. As we gear up to explore today's auto market trends, take a second to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content. Ready? Let's dive in. The auto market's downturn is a multifaceted puzzle, each piece revealing a part of the larger picture. High interest rates are a key factor, dramatically reshaping consumer demand. The Federal Reserve's rate hikes have pushed car loan rates to their highest in years, with the average APR on new car loans reaching around 7%, a significant jump from the 4% rate seen in previous years. This increase in borrowing costs has made car loans less affordable, causing many potential buyers to hesitate, cooling a market that was previously thriving with activity. Compounding this issue is a significant shortage of new cars. Pandemic-related disruptions, including factory shutdowns and supply chain bottlenecks, have led to a drastic reduction in new vehicle production. Industry reports show that new car inventory levels are down by nearly 30% compared to pre-pandemic levels. This scarcity has shifted buyer attention to the used car market, inflating prices and creating a volatile environment. The average price of used cars has surged, with some models seeing price increases of up to 20–30% compared to 2 years ago. The reversal in car prices is another critical factor. After a pandemic-driven surge where average new car prices peaked at nearly $41,000 in 2021, we're now observing a market correction. Autoblog notes a 1.4% decrease in the average new car price since last year, signaling a shift from the inflated prices during the pandemic. This change is indicative of deeper economic shifts and a market adjusting to new realities. Inflation plays a significant role, squeezing household budgets and altering spending habits. The Consumer Price Index, CPI, for used cars and trucks has risen sharply, contributing to the overall inflation rate, which has hovered around 7% in recent years. This economic pressure is leading consumers to reconsider major purchases like cars, as they grapple with higher costs across various sectors. In response, manufacturers and dealerships are navigating these challenging waters by adapting their strategies. Digital sales have become more crucial, with online car sales increasing by over 30% in the last year. Dealerships are also rethinking their inventory strategies, focusing on in-demand models and adjusting pricing to align with the current market conditions. This strategic shift is essential for the industry to remain resilient and responsive to an evolving and increasingly digital market landscape. The auto market's shift is sending ripples across the globe, impacting economies and reshaping industries. In China, a major player in the global market, the real estate and stock market downturns are deeply affecting household wealth. With over 70% of Chinese family assets invested in real estate, a 5% drop in home prices could lead to a staggering loss of over $2 trillion in housing wealth. This significant financial impact could result in reduced consumer spending, affecting millions of jobs and the broader economy. In Europe, economic uncertainties are leading to cautious consumer spending. Luxury car sales, which make up about 15% of the European auto market, are seeing a slowdown. In Germany alone, a key automotive player, car sales have dropped by nearly 10% in the past year, reflecting broader market apprehensions. The United States, another major market, is experiencing its own set of challenges. The shift towards more economical and eco-friendly vehicles is evident, with electric vehicle sales surging by over 40% in the last year. This trend is reshaping the American automotive landscape, aligning with changing consumer priorities and environmental concerns. The global semiconductor chip shortage, crucial for modern vehicles, highlights the interconnected nature of international trade. This shortage has led to a production cut of approximately 10 million vehicles worldwide, underscoring the fragility of global supply chains. Countries are adopting diverse strategies in response to these challenges. For instance, the U.S. government has proposed incentives totaling billions of dollars to boost domestic electric vehicle production. Meanwhile, Japan and South Korea are investing heavily in battery technology and infrastructure to secure their position in the evolving market. But the big question on your minds is, what does this mean for you? In this transformed auto market, consumers are facing a landscape filled with both challenges and opportunities. For those eyeing a new car, the market dynamics could work in your favor. Dealerships, eager to move inventory, are offering more competitive deals than we've seen in years. For instance, some dealers are offering discounts and incentives that were unheard of during the market's peak, with price reductions ranging from 5% to 10% on certain models. However, this buyer's market comes with caveats. It's crucial to approach with a strategic mindset, considering the total cost of ownership. This includes not just the sticker price, but also factors like insurance, maintenance, and the long-term implications of loan agreements. With the current average APR on new car loans hovering around 7%, it's more important than ever to understand the financial commitment you're making. Potential loan delinquencies are another concern. As Fitch Ratings reports, auto loan delinquencies are at their highest in decades, signaling a cautionary tale for new borrowers. It's essential to assess your financial stability and consider the implications of taking on a car loan under these market conditions. For those in the used car market, there's a silver lining. According to WFIR News, the average used car price in the Roanoke area, for example, is down 4.0% from last year, indicating a shift in the market. This trend is being seen in various regions, offering more affordable options for used car buyers. But again, vigilance is key. Ensure you're getting a reliable vehicle by checking its history, understanding its maintenance needs, and considering its resale value. Whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on the market, staying informed is vital. We'll guide you through this new landscape with practical tips and insights. Learn how to spot the best deals, understand the risks involved, and make decisions that align with your financial goals and lifestyle needs. In a market full of uncertainties, being equipped with the right knowledge can make all the difference. As we conclude our journey through the twists and turns of the auto market's dramatic transformation, it's clear that we're navigating a landscape of change. The market's downturn, influenced by a myriad of global and economic factors, has reshaped the way we view car ownership, financing, and value. But within this change lies opportunity, a choice to make informed decisions that align with our needs and financial goals. Remember, knowledge is your most valuable asset in this evolving market. Stay informed about the latest trends, understand the implications of your financial choices, and approach each decision with a balance of caution and optimism. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a seasoned seller, or simply an enthusiast keeping up with the market, your journey in the world of cars is unique and filled with possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of the auto market. We hope this journey has provided you with valuable insights and a clearer understanding of the current landscape.